Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. If this is your first time watching me, I posted my first video. If you want to watch that, I'll link it down below. I posted my first video about 2 weeks ago. I'm really excited because I finally am getting kind of used to filming and recording, but I am really excited. This is my second video. For this look, I did a full-on glam using all affordable products, and I think you will enjoy it because who doesn't love makeup on a budget? Like, who doesn't love getting a beat, like having a full-on glam and not breaking the bank? So I hope that you enjoy this video. Without further ado, I present the other person. That's not me, but she looks like me kind of, but she's just so basic. Also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you like to see, what other looks you'd like to see. I was kind of planning out some Halloween looks, but I am not crazy about Halloween. I was kind of just gonna do I had a few things in mind that were kind of cute. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, do whatever you gotta do. Let's go. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to prime my face. Also put some moisture back up in there because I just took a shower and it's dry. So I'm gonna go in with the Mario Badescu facial spray, and this is the rose water one. This one is popping. Next, just to prime my face, I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Prep HD primer. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and prime my face. So I'm going to be using the Ardell brow pomades in both medium brown and dark brown. I'm just going to start combing those hairs up. Actually, I think I need to cut a few of these hairs down because my eyebrows are growing bangs at the moment. I feel like my brows grow so quickly. Like, I try to do them every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. I like to do them because I noticed that when I go every 2 weeks, the lady starts to get them, like she starts to have them get thinner and thinner and thinner. So I really like to just wait a while till they're actually grown out. Okay, so now that I've cut the bangs off of my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with medium brown in the very front. And usually I trace the shape of my brow at the bottom. So I'm going to do the same with the other brow. Okay, now I'm just going to go in with the the dark brown pomade, and I'm just going to kind of give it that ombre effect. You kind of want to really make sure that this is blended and that it doesn't look like a straight line. I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me in light beige, and I'm just going to dot the bottom of my eyebrows. And the top. I'm just going to take a brush. This one is from Alamar Cosmetics, and I'm just going to clean up that brow curl. I wanted to upload a video last week, but I was trying to get the microphone thing worked out and it still didn't work out. So I was thinking of not recording again, and I was like, you know what? I have to record. So that is it for brows. So now I am going to be moving on to these eyes right here. And for an eye primer, I don't have an eye primer that is drugstore. So I'm going to use, let's just use concealer. Usually what I do is I put the concealer or whatever on my eye, and, and then I also try to get in this little area right here, like the inner corners of my eyes, because they are kind of dark, and I want to go ahead and conceal that before the rest of my makeup. I'm just going to take my beauty blender and just blend those inner and outer corners. I'm going to take the Shayla X ColourPop Perception palette, and I'm going to pick up the shade Culture, and that is going to be my transition shade for this look. I really love this eyeshadow palette. It is so gorgeous and literally has so many shades and so many looks that you can create with it. So the next thing that I am going to do is go in with the shade Revenge, and I'm going to put that in my crease a little bit lower now. I don't usually go this dark in the crease. I usually tend to stray away from dark colors in the crease, but I'm trying new things, and I'm just going to deepen that outer corner with Played Out, which is that brown plum shade that you see right there. That's the shade that I'm going to dig into. The very last shade that I'm going to go in with is Strut and Slay, and it's that rose gold color that you see there. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid and stopping right before the crease. I bought this at Ulta Beauty, and it is a lustrous eyeshadow foil, and I got it in the color Rose Gold Leaf, and I thought it was super pretty. When I was at the store, I kind of dabbed into the tester. I'm just gonna add that in there. Whoa, I mean, it is gorgeous, but it like changed my whole look. I'm just going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector, and I'm going to correct my dark circles. I like doing this very much so because I have very green veins under my eyes, and I feel like this helps to kind of hide them a little bit. Also, I'm just going to go in on the mustache right here and right here, which I, for some reason, always feel is dark. Gonna take a beauty blender. This one is from Morphe, and blend that out. The foundation that I am going to be using is the Maybelline Super Stay Stick. Always want to put some on your neck just to even out everything. You don't want to look like another person on the top with another body on the bottom. I'm just going to take this Chic Republic brush, and I got this off of Amazon. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with a brush, because if I use a beauty blender, then it's just going to absorb the product, and I don't want that. I'm going to take the Maybelline concealer, and I'm going to conceal my brows. This is the Fit Me and the Light 10. I'm sorry, conceal my under eyes. I just said brows. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with a beauty blender. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to contour. Before I do any further highlighting. I'm just gonna contour. This is the LA Girl Velvet Bronzer Contour Stick. I'm gonna take this brush. This is from Kestrel, and I got it at like Marshall's or something. A cream contour is not, I'm gonna admit, it's not one of my favorite things to do because it's so tedious. All this blending, all this, girl. So now I'm just going to continue highlighting and highlight the center of my nose. Sorry, keep covering. So now I'm just going to highlight the sides of my nose. Alright, just add some more back here because by the time I did that, it's probably cracked my forehead a little bit. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with the Fit Me powder and bake. This is literally like become the best sponge. Like, this is a top 5. Go over the laugh lines, which I didn't really have laugh lines before, but the time has come. So now I'm just gonna dust that off. The facial. So now I'm just gonna go in and pop in the LA Girl Just Blushing and Just Playful, and I'm gonna put that in on with a Morphe E48 brush. Oh, I gotta blend that out better. What's this? I'm going to go ahead and finish off my under eyes. I'm gonna just use this Morphe M508 brush and go in with the shade Revenge. Line the bottom of my under eye right here, just to kind of finish the eye off altogether. Oh no. I think I used a shade that had black residue over it. So now, line my waterline with this LA Girl Glide Gel Liner. And this is in the color Berry Black, which that it is. So I'm going to take these lashes that I got at the discount store. They are the Iconic collection from Eye Envy. So this is I Envy by Kiss. So this is Kiss product. Okay, so the lash style is in Chic Icon. Lord, Jesus Christ. Sheesh. They are so pretty. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. You can't tell me nothing about my drugstore mascaras. Excuse me, they are popping. Wow, bro. So for my highlight, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Rose Gold. I'm going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. The apples? Whatever. I'm going to line my lips with this liner, which I love so much. It is the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the color Raw Chocolate. This is the Maybelline Seductress, and these are the Super Stay Matte Ink. But this is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss, and it is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It has like pinky reflex, and I just want to dab a little bit in the center. To complete this look, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. And I think I've used this before. It's not bad. So this is the finished look. It is very cute. Hope to see you around the next time. Thank you for watching. Also, I want to give a big thanks to the 17 people that subscribed to my channel. It is an amazing feeling to have 17 people. Like 17 people in this room would be jam-packed right now. So for me, that's a lot of people. Also, just a big shout out to everyone that always supports me and always motivates me to do better. Bye guys.